Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. This vision of colonizing Mars. Remember, canine meme coins like Doge and SHIB have had a successful year breaking the crypto market growth records. Price growth in future outlook. Dogelonmars has currently a market cap of $1,983,605,856,593 and ranks 120th on the crypto list. It started trading at $0.000000120 in May 2021 and grew to a high of $0.0002663 in October of the same year. It is now trading at $0.000001068. As mentioned, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu grew thousands-fold in 2021. Can Dogelonmars achieve the same feat? This article will explore Dogelonmars price predictions for 2022. Dogelonmars price forecasts predicting the prices of cryptocurrencies with utmost certainty is a tall order. However, we can project the prices of these instruments by extrapolating historical data using mathematical and artificial intelligence. One of the best crypto prediction sites for that is cryptopredictions.com. Below are their Dogelonmars projections for 2022. 2022 Q1 and Q2 forecasts. Elon is currently trading at $0.0000113. His money to help Doctors Without Borders treat victims of Ebola by one day. No contact MSF Dogecoin game fundraising event. Meme value. A meme coin is generally defined as a coin with no intrinsic utility, but whose value is based on a passionate community of followers. They have low values, with most available for a few cents, and huge or unlimited supplies. There are now thousands of meme coins, but Dogecoin is notable as the one that started it all. The coin was founded on Dec. 2013 by Jackson Palmer and Billy Marcus. Both of them are software engineers. Created to satirize BTC, but became the second most popular cryptocurrency after trade between $0.000001557159505 and $0.0000024678198 in the last quarter. The price is expected to average $0.0000024678198 in October, $0.000001906164097 in November, and $0.000001974255848 in December. Of its value. For now, traders continue to hold their breath with hopes that the Doge father will drop the much-awaited bombshell, and hopefully reignite the prospects of Doge attaining the $1 mark. And second news today about anti-vax mandate. Truckers have raised $700K in Bitcoin, and have Elon Musk's support. The Freedom Convoy of Canadian truckers in Ottawa has raised nearly 16 Bitcoin, roughly $700,000, from 4,877 donors after their GoFundMe donations were blocked. The group even has garnered support from Elon Musk via Twitter, who believes crypto cannot be stopped. In late January, Musk also tweeted, "Canadian truckers rule." The trucker convoy in Ottawa making international headlines was formed in opposition to nationwide vaccination mandates on truckers re-entering Canada from the United States. It has since evolved to object to all COVID-19 health restrictions, spawning similar protests throughout Canada. Ottawa police are attempting to rein in the convoy over concerns of their trucks blockading city streets and interfering with local businesses. Law enforcement also collaborated with crowdsourcing platform GoFundMe to block $10 million in donations initially directed toward the convoy's organizers. That action struck a bad chord with some Canadian Bitcoiners opposed to both financial censorship and the COVID restrictions. Canadian truckers turned to Bitcoin in response to the GoFundMe blockade. BTC Sessions, a crypto YouTuber from Calgary, started a fundraiser for the protest using the Bitcoin native crowdfunding platform Talacoin. Because Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer payment network, it makes it harder for governments to prevent users from sending money to certain causes. Thank you, truckers, said one anonymous donor of $87.99 in Bitcoin. You have made me proud to be Canadian again. In terms of users. Since then, other meme coins have also seen huge growth. Namely, Shiba Inu, dogelonmars, and Floki Inu. Reflections on meme token Dogecoin has been a success, but the huge volatility influenced by celebrities means high risk. Of course, meme tokens are easy to launch, not expensive to maintain, and have a large degree of community ownership. But that doesn't mean you can go all in on meme tokens. In contrast, meme tokens are not easily recognized and supported by celebrities with similar feelings. Meme tokens have very few usage scenarios, which is very different from the Chain or DeFi protocol token. In addition, some meme tokens do not support smart contracts, and there are no ecosystem applications for pure meme tokens. So, the success of Dogecoin is just an example of probability. You can try meme tokens as a hobby, but not for investment. At least, it's not a good choice to all in. $0.0000221. Course forecast 2025 Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the dogelonmars price will be almost $0.0000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.0000326. Dogelonmars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelonmars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelonmars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027 Dogelonmars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.0000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelonmars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.0000600 and $0.0000617 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of Elon changes from $0.0000600 to $0.0000709 for 2027. Dogelonmars course prediction 2028 The current price range of Dogelonmars may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Elon could reach $0.0001049 by 2028, with an average rate of $0.0000905 for 2028. It could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. Slogan bets can be made as the cryptocurrency market may see another usual trend on its way to 2028. Elon rate prediction 2029 for a long-term forecast of the price of Dogelonmars, an important basic analysis. In terms of industry interests, the token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoin network develops, efficient programmable payment, logistics and storage options are being offered. There is a high chance that the average Elon price will rise to around $0.0001354 by 2029 if the idea attracts more reach. For 2029, it could end up with a high price of $0.0001543 with a low price. The level is $0.0001318.